If you earn a decent salary, pay your bills on time, and put a little money away each month, you're doing everything society told you to do. And that's exactly why you'll never be wealthy. I know that sounds harsh, but stay with me, because in the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you 5 traps that keep the middle class financially stuck for life. And most people never even realize trap number 3 is happening to them. Let's get into it. First, who is the middle class? In the US, the middle class earns roughly between $40,000 and $120,000 a year. That's a wide range. But here's what almost every single person in that range has in common. They feel stable. They have a job, a car, maybe a mortgage. They're not broke, but they're not building wealth either. They're just maintaining. And that feeling of stability, that's the trap. Because comfortable is the most dangerous place to be financially. It's just enough to stop you from making the moves that would actually change your life. The wealthy aren't comfortable. They're always deploying money, always building. Comfort, for them, is a warning sign, not a goal. Trap number 1, lifestyle inflation. Here's how it works. You earn $40,000. Life is tight, you're careful. Then you get a raise. Now you earn $70,000. So what happens? Bigger apartment, newer car, better vacations, nicer restaurants. And by the end of the year, you're saving roughly the same amount you were saving at $40,000. Sometimes less. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it silently destroys wealth for almost every middle-class earner. The math is brutal. 2 people, same starting salary. One keeps lifestyle costs flat and invests every raise. The other upgrades their life every time income goes up. At age 45, after 20 years, the first person has a net worth 10 times higher. Same income, completely different financial life. Every raise you earn is a wealth-building opportunity. Most people turn it into a lifestyle upgrade instead. Trap number 2, the debt cycle. Let's talk about a standard middle-class financial picture. Mortgage, car payment, maybe a student loan, credit card balance. Sounds normal, right? Here's the problem. Every single one of those payments is making someone else wealthy, while you stay exactly where you are. Take a $300,000 mortgage at 7% interest over 30 years. You think you're buying a $300,000 home? You're not. By the time you're done paying, you've handed the bank over $715,000. That's more than double. And that extra $415,000 is gone. It didn't build your wealth, it built theirs. The middle class works for money. The bank uses that money to build more money. Understanding this one fact changes everything about how you see debt. Trap number 3. This is the one most people never see coming. You are trading time for money, and time is the one thing you can never get back. A salary feels safe. Show up, work, get paid. But here's what a salary actually is. It's a ceiling. There are only so many hours in a day, which means there is a hard limit on how much you can ever earn from a job. The wealthy figured this out early. They don't just earn, they own. Assets that generate income while they sleep. Rental properties, investments, businesses, content, royalties. Their money works, your time works. Here's the shift in thinking that changes everything. Stop asking, how do I earn more? And start asking, what can I own that earns for me? That one question separates the middle class from the wealthy. Not talent, not luck, not even income. The type of income. Trap number 4, saving money in the wrong place. You've been told your whole life, save money. And you do. Every month, $500 goes into your savings account. You feel responsible, disciplined. But here's what's actually happening. Your savings account pays you maybe 0.5% interest, if you're lucky. Inflation runs at 3% to 4% per year, which means every year your saved money is actually losing purchasing power. You are getting poorer while feeling responsible. Now let's look at the alternative. $500 a month invested in a simple index fund averaging 8% annual returns over 20 years. That's $294,000. The same $500 a month in a savings account over 20 years? Roughly $123,000, and worth even less in real terms after inflation. Same discipline, same amount of money, a $171,000 difference just from where you put it. Saving isn't the problem. Saving in the wrong place is. Trap number 5. And this one is the most invisible of all. The wealthy operate in a completely different financial world than the middle class. And most middle class earners don't even know that world exists. tax-advantaged accounts that compound wealth faster, depreciation strategies that legally eliminate tax bills, leverage, using other people's money to buy assets that generate returns, equity, ownership stakes, generational wealth structures. These aren't secret. They're not illegal. They're not even complicated once you understand them, but nobody teaches them in school. Your parents probably didn't know them. Your friends aren't talking about them at dinner. So generation after generation, the middle class works hard, saves a little, and wonders why the gap keeps growing. The wealthy don't have more hours. They have more information, and they act on it. So how do you escape? 3 shifts. That's all it takes. Shift 1, attack lifestyle inflation. Every raise, every bonus, every extra dollar, invest it before your lifestyle can touch it. Automate it, make it invisible. You cannot spend what you never see. Shift 2, build an income stream that doesn't require your time. Start small. 1 investment, 1 asset. 1 thing that earns while you aren't working. It doesn't need to replace your salary tomorrow. It just needs to start. Shift 3, get financially educated. Read, watch. Learn the strategies the wealthy use by default. The information is available. The people who find it and act on it are the ones who escape. Now let's go back to where we started. You earn a decent salary, you pay your bills, you save a little money, you're doing everything right. The problem isn't your effort, the problem is the system you're playing in was designed to keep you comfortable, not wealthy. The middle class isn't stuck because they're lazy. They're stuck because nobody showed them the door. Now you know where it is. If this video opened your eyes, subscribe. Because every week we break down exactly how money really works with real numbers and no fluff. And if you want to know the first real step to building wealth from zero, that video is right here. The window is open, but it will not stay open at the same width forever. The deeper problem is that most people are measuring the wrong thing. They check their balance, they feel okay or they feel behind, but they never calculate the rate at which they are actually building toward financial independence. Every dollar going toward long-term wealth building divided by your gross income. Calculate it this week. Write it down. Then decide if that number is building the retirement you actually want, or the one you are defaulting into without realizing it. If this video helped you see your own numbers more clearly, subscribe. Every week we run the real math on the financial decisions that shape your life, so you can make them smarter.